On May 21st, we'll have a great family festival out here at the Kemah Boardwalk. And with us to tell us all about it is Julie Mincer from Galveston Bay Foundation. Now, it's Bay Day.
Yes.
And it's an annual event.
Yes, it's the third Saturday of every May. We have a great festival just coming out to celebrate Galveston Bay. We have 30 to 40 exhibitors coming out to teach families, kids, and adults alike about the bay. We have touch tanks where kids can actually come and touch crabs and things, and we have a number of other kinds of educational booths just trying to get people out.
I understand we have alligators and snakes.
Oh, of course we do. We always have the critters.
Loving it. All the little boys need to come out.
Oh, absolutely.
Now, I know you've got some entertainment planned.
Oh, absolutely. We have music, and we have a lot of educational entertainment, some science on stage. We have a local high school that comes and brings out drums, and so we have a drum line coming out.
Oh,
so we're going to
fun.
have a lot of fun.
Okay, so tell me again what days and how do they find out more about it?
Absolutely. It's May 21st. It's a Saturday, and they can come to our website, galvbay.org. And we also have a great thing going on right now. It's a photo contest. So if you want to come and come to Bay Day and have your photo judged, you just have to submit it through our website. Just anything about the bay, animals, plants, flowers. We'd love to have it, and there's prizes. So if you have a great photo, we'd love to see it.
That's very good. Now, tell me, how much does it cost to participate?
Oh, no cost. It's free, of course.
I'm loving it. Loving it. Now, that's great. So once again, give me your website.
Galvbay.org, GALVBAY.org.
Great. Thanks, Julie.
You're welcome.